Cindy A. Lewis here, and I am going to go to a friend's house. We actually get to do that, and I'm going to bring her a Hostess gift. And what I'm going to do is she has a Cricut, so I have some Cricut vinyl rolls that I'm going to give her. But I thought what fun it would be to put it in a bouquet. So I have a basket here and some tissue. I have some floral foam, some of this Excelsior that's green, and some pretty flowers from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to make a bouquet, and I thought I would invite you along to watch. Also, if you're new to my channel, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to. I'd love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Those of you that are already part of my family, big hugs and appreciate you watching. Let's get started. So I have this cute basket, but it has holes in it. So I want to put tissue inside the basket. One sheet does it. I don't need this other sheet. So I'm going to fold it up and put it out of the way. The next thing I want to do is put some floral foam inside so that my flowers have something to stick into. So I'm just trying to make this as easy as possible. So I'm just going to open this up. And it's already cut into 4s, you can see, and I'm going to need 3 of them, I'm pretty sure. So let me open this up. This is from the Dollar Tree. I love that it's already cut because it's so easy to use. And I don't even really have to glue it together. I'm not really concerned she's going to take it apart anyway once she sees what's in it. So we're going to do that. So I just put these in here. And I think I could put the other one just to make sure. So we'll do that. You can see how I have them in there. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I take this Excelsior, this pretty green. This is not from the Dollar Tree, but you can find Excelsior at the Dollar Tree if you like, or some kind of moss. I'm just going to put it in the top. It does make quite the mess. You just want to cover up the floral foam as much as you can. All right. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the flowers in, kind of play with them a little bit, and put in my vinyl. That's really the biggest gift. Okay, so I finished it up. It's really cute. I added some pink in there so that I could use this ribbon that I really like that's very happy. There's the little Cricut vinyl in there and just a little Hostess gift. Really easy peasy. Dollar Tree flowers, basket already had, vinyl already had. So if you're interested in doing something like that, you can always throw in all kinds of things. Candy bars, cookies, whatever, and just make a cute little gift to give away. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.